I think it's not just renewable energy, and there are advances, a lot of advances in solar, a lot of advances in wind, and people see, in 10, 15 years with the current investment. So 10, 15 years is a long time from now, but it's not. People see the supply of green electricity is going to increase. The problem is also, so those green energies, and even nuclear, by the way, one of the reasons that fossil fuel-based energy is so convenient is that you turn it on and off. You have an increase in usage, you turn it more on, you increase the power. You have decrease, you decrease it.
And you have
all
it
of the
everywhere.
other,
and you have it
everywhere
everywhere, every time.
All of the other sources of energy. I mean, nuclear is flat. You have this, and that's it. And other renewable sources, you have it, you don't have it, you can't plan for it, or et cetera, et cetera. So the only way you can move from away from fossil fuels and keep the flexibility is if you store energy somewhere to absorb the peaks and to release energy when production is down. And so I think storage is going to be one of the big issues of the next 10, 20 years.